In the dynamic world of entrepreneurship, the idea of waiting on investors to kickstart your business journey might seem like the most logical step. After all, funding can provide the necessary resources to scale up quickly, right? Well, not necessarily. In fact, many successful businesses have thrived without external investments, thanks to the power of bootstrapping and investing in themselves. So, why not get creative and take matters in your own hands? Embrace the idea that nothing is entirely new. First things first, let's debunk that myth that every successful business has to be groundbreaking or entirely original. Truth is, most ideas are iterations or improvements upon existing concepts. So instead of waiting for that elusive stroke of genius, focus on refining an existing idea or solving a problem in a unique way. The power of bootstrapping, investing in yourself and your business. Bootstrapping or self funding your venture is a tried and tested approach that empowers entrepreneurs to take control of their destiny. By investing your own time, money, and resources, you demonstrate your commitment and belief in your business idea. This not only instills confidence in potential investors, but also gives you the freedom to pursue your vision without external pressures. Start small, but think big. You don't need a hefty investment to get started. In fact, many successful businesses began as modest ventures run from home offices or garages. And by starting small and focusing on the essentials, you can minimize costs and maximize efficiency. As your business grows, reinvest those profits back into the company to fuel further expansion. Building a solid foundation, invest in skills and knowledge. Before seeking external funding, invest in yourself by acquiring the skills, the knowledge necessary to succeed as an entrepreneur. And by continuously learning and evolving, you position yourself as a capable and confident leader, which can be attractive to potential investors anyway down the line. So don't wait for permission, take action. One of the biggest barriers to entrepreneurship is the fear of failure or the belief that you need permission to start. The truth is, there's never a perfect time to launch a business, and waiting for validation from others can hold you back, that's for sure. Instead, adopt a mindset of action and resilience. Start small, test your ideas, be prepared to learn from setbacks along the way. Waiting on investors to fund your business is not the only path to success. By getting creative, investing in yourself, in taking decisive action, you can start and grow a thriving business on your own terms. Remember, the journey of entrepreneurship is as much about the process as it is about the destination. So, why are you waiting when you can start building? To start bootstrapping, you want to get in on the Cash Flow Power workshop because most entrepreneurs don't go broke because of a lack of money. They go broke from a lack of forecasting. The cash flow requirements will allow you to see 6 months, the entire year in advance. It'll show you when you're running out of cash. It'll show you when to pause those pricey SEO ads, or better yet, it'll tell you when to launch or invest for growth. This isn't budgeting the way that you've seen it before. This is the secret weapon behind profitable businesses, early retirement, and building wealth. But it's only been a secret to you. Successful entrepreneurs, businesses, the wealthy, they've known this all along. But now this information will help you bootstrap with confidence. All you need to do is join us live or on demand for the Cash Flow Power. In this hour, you'll get set up, training, cash flow requirements report, strategy guide, a powerhouse list of money move tactics, video tutorials, and a complete list of resources to help you make cash flow power moves and start bootstrapping your business idea. Hopefully, I've given you the confidence to pursue your ideas and even start bootstrapping without waiting on investors. But at the end of the day, success starts with you. No boss, just helps you get there.